welcome back to another video. It's Cece coming back at you guys. So we have another what I eat in a day. These have been really fun to film and quicker and easier to also edit versus doing my fitness vlogs, because it's a lot of content that I create in those, which is fine, but I'm liking to break it down to what I eat in a day. So I've been up for a while. It's almost 9 o'clock now. Did my morning routine, got a new water bottle, but this water is from yesterday, so I actually want to refresh it. Tastes a little old, so I'm gonna get that filled up and I'm gonna go ahead and get started on breakfast. It's Monday right now, so it is my day off from the gym. One of these days I am going to show you guys like what I eat in a day on a gym day, but every time I think about doing it, it always ends up happening to fall on a Monday. So yep, I'll show you guys what I get cooking in the kitchen. It's going to be delicious and I'm really hungry, so let's get it. I'm going to enjoy this, you guys. Cilantro is going to add a nice fresh bite. I actually don't season my eggs because if you remember from my last what I eat in a day, the turkey bacon is really salty, so I don't season my egg. But I do season my tomato. If I had avocado, I would put that on there, but it is not ripe yet. So this is my egg, cheese, tomato, and bacon sandwich with cilantro. I prefer bagel thins because it's less bread, so this will be enjoyable for me versus if it was a regular bagel. Definitely get over full more quickly, so I prefer bagel thins for any kind of bagel. These are my favorite kind. I have a clementine here that I peeled and just some fresh strawberries, raspberries, and blueberries. I think they're coming back into season because this batch that we got, all of them just looked absolutely amazing. Fruit is so good. I cooked 3 pieces of bacon, but ended up only using 2.5 for this.
See?
Where are your britches?
I lost them.
You don't have to find them.
Why? You don't like these legs out?
No.
Fine!
Oh! 11 now, you guys. So about 2 hours have passed. Water is doing okay, and I want a snack, so I grabbed. These are so good. They're kind of like Gushers. There's like juicy bursts on the inside. And then I have a Nutri-Grain bar if I want more. So yeah, I'm doing okay. I'll catch you guys for lunch. This is the salmon salad I'm going to be having for our lunch. This is leftover salmon we had last night. You guys already know I'm leftover queen. I've been really enjoying salads midday. They're filling but not too filling, but satisfying at the same time. I've got some corn fresh off the cob from Costco, you guys. Their corn on the cob is really, really good. Some diced up cucumber, diced up green pepper, some thinly sliced red onion, and of course some tomato. I'm going to put some of these on there because they are absolutely delicious. I season it with salt and pepper. I'm likely going to use some French dressing. I haven't had this in a while, but my mom bought it a while ago and we've been like obsessed. I forgot how good it is, so I'm going to have some French dressing on this delicious salad. It's $1.44 and this is what my water's looking like. There you have it, the most delicious salad you will ever try or see in your life. Like I say, the salad cranking. It's true.
It does sound like you pork straight to that bowl.
Man, dressing. Another bottle on deck. Tonight for dinner, we're making some bang bang shrimp. So the first thing we're going to get started with is the sauce. We have our shrimp. It's been seasoned and it's been sitting overnight with the seasoning on it. Red onion, some cilantro, tomato, salt, pepper, sriracha, olive oil, cornstarch, some rice vinegar. I also need sugar too, and then some jasmine rice. So let's get started with the sauce first. These are all the ingredients for the sauce. Let's get the sauce made. This is an old Tostitos jar, so I made the sauce. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the fridge. About 1 cup of oil in here, so it's ready to go. That's what the shrimps are looking like. That's looking really good. Finished product. Bang bang shrimp rice balls. Guys, I'm about to dive in. This is what I'm about to have for dinner. I might have a piece of corn on the cob too, but I'm gonna just crank this out, see how it tastes, and I'm gonna let y'all know. I have some lettuce underneath the shrimp. Let's see how we go. I know the bang bang sauce is good. We've already tried that.
And that's okay. And that should be fine. You know?
God bless. You guys, I'm going to link that bang bang shrimp recipe below. I got it off Pinterest. It was really, really good, and honestly, I would consider it easy to make. Simple ingredients that we had on hand, and the only thing I had to go out and get actually was cornstarch, because the cornstarch we had expired, and that's what I used to make the shrimp crispy. But you guys, it was really delicious. Definitely going to be a new favorite in our household. I think I'm going to try making some fried chicken wings next week in that bang bang sauce. I'm going to make some more and have them be bang bang fried chicken wings, and I think they're just going to be superb. So I did end up having a piece of corn on the cob as well, in addition to that little bowl that you saw I had. And I'm going to end the night with, these are probably like my favorite. Like between these and the Reese's, this is definitely, so it is the white chocolate truffles. These are my favorite. So they're like kind of got like white chocolate smoothness, truffly deliciousness on the inside, and they're so good. So I'm gonna have a couple of cubes of this, and I'm doing great on my water, you guys. I'm about halfway through my second bottle. It's about 7 now, so I got another 3 hours before I hit the sheet to crank through that. But yeah, I want to thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I love you guys. I really appreciate your time. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up because that just supports my channel, lets me know you like this kind of content, and of course don't forget to subscribe to become part of the C Squad, because we will be so blessed to have you. I'll see you guys in my next video. Comment below if you guys are looking for any New Year's kinds of videos when it comes to fitness. I would love to be able to create this for you guys, so just comment below if you're looking for anything specific. Once again, thank you for your time. I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.